Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to manage ground pass assistance. In the beginning, let's go to settings from main menu of the game. Enter game settings and now find gameplay. Find ground pass assistance and switch it between assisted, semi and manual. In manual the direction aim is the direction the pass will travel. In semi, ground pass direction and power will be partially assisted and depend more on where you aim when determining where to avoid opponent's player. In assisted, ground pass direction and power are both assisted. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.